Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Choose 5 activities you already like and commit to brief, focused tests. Once done, record a baseline, how long you spend, your success rate, and enjoyment on a 0-10 scale, because measurement lets you compare. Make sure to schedule 2 short trials this week, 30 to 90 minutes each, and prepare simple tools or notes. This fast start avoids endless planning and gets you moving toward discovering a reliable ability. Once you have basic data, continue with deliberate practice by breaking the skill into 3 manageable parts and testing each part separately. You should track progress with simple metrics every session: accuracy, speed, and enjoyment, so trends become obvious. Make adjustments between trials, change difficulty, seek quick feedback, or alter your environment to eliminate friction. Over time, these small iterations reveal which part scales and which stalls, so you can focus effort where gains are largest and fastest. To complete the process, run a validation session of about 2 hours under realistic conditions and compare those metrics to your baseline. You want to see at least a 10% improvement in skill or enjoyment. If results match goals, plan how to scale daily micro-practice or a structured course. If not, troubleshoot. Try a different method, add rest to prevent burnout, or ask for external feedback. One key tip: when stuck, simplify the task to its smallest component and rebuild from there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.